technology. I was a fresher to that technology, but without much struggle, without much ado, I was able to crack the interview on the second time itself.
So, Jay Ganeshan, my first question to you is that tell me about yourself, your background, your skill set, and also mention the program that you have taken from Intellipaat and from which place you belong to.
Yeah. So my name is Jay Ganesh. I put up in Chennai. I was working in Cognizant, but now I am working in a different MNC company, Capgemini. So I have around 14 years of experience in software industry. So my basic skill set is entirely based on .NET only. I'm basically a .NET developer, and then later on moved to a .NET service developer kind of stuff like that. So some time back, I wanted to switch my career. That is why I choose the cloud platform. That is why I choose Intellipaat as per my colleagues' guidance like that. So that is how my journey with cloud started. The training I undertook with Intellipaat is Cloud Architect program. It is a cluster of training like Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, and AWS with DevOps. These are the four courses packaged into a single curricula, and I gone through everything, and that is how I am.
Right. To our next question, can you please tell me what was your objective of the training?
Okay. So the main objective of my training is to switch my career and enable myself with the advancement of technology.
Can you please tell me how was your experience with my mentors and instructors?
Yeah, especially when I'm talking about Cloud Architect program, I think the AWS Architect program was conducted by Deepak, I think, and it is a very deft and structured and organized way of teaching, and I understand where to start and where to progress and where to learn and where to explore and then where to end some kind of learning like that. So that is one of the finest experience. That is my first cloud training also. That is why I admired much that training. And the second most important thing is DevOps. It was taken by somebody called Giri, and that is where I stuck into cloud. I think the way he conducted, the authority he has, with which he conducted the training, and the lot of information he has thrown, and he just wide open how many things are in the cloud, how should we adapt into that, and how much we have to learn to adapt into cloud. This is, I think, the most admired training program I undergone is the DevOps training, and he taken a very astounding way, and I thought I was getting into that program virtually.
How was your experience with Intellipaat support team? It can be generic support, it can be technical support.
Yeah, regarding the support, yes, even I asked support for a lot of things. Like I want some programs to be conducted in a concurrent, in a parallel way, because I have very short of time. So that is why I asked for them. They helped me much, and even each and every query I asked for them, and they did give a feedback immediately. And post that, even I asked a query about my interview also. So I asked them, please give me some mock interview, so that I will get some confidence before going for real MNC interviews like that. And they have conducted the interview also, and it lasted for almost hour. So they took an interview for almost hour, and it was very helpful for me. And where are the areas I have to refresh myself? Where are the areas I have to concentrate? Where I am lacking? These are all the feedback they have given based on the mock interview, and that would be very helpful for me. And that is how I proceeded getting offer from MNCs.
That's good. So, to our next question, can you please tell me about your success story in brief words?
Brief words, yes. Success story. I got the offer on my second interview itself after I joined Intellipaat. Even I was not struggling much. That is the main thing. Even though it was a large transformation, I have 14 years of .NET background. I'm transforming to cloud. It's entirely new technology. I was a fresher to that technology, but without much struggle, without much ado, I was able to crack the interview on the second time itself to the top company, and they were very admired the way I ran through the interview, and they appreciated me very well. As just like an experienced candidate who is talking like that. But I told them frankly that I have just 1 year of experience only. but you are talking like 3 years or 4 years of experience. They admired me very well. So I was able to get three offers from three top tier companies, but I choose one where the path leads into. That is my success story also.
Right. So I believe that you must have joined that tier one company, right? So can you please tell me how much of percentage hike did you get over there?
Yeah, I almost get 70 percentage hike.
That's
So even there, somebody is offering 80 percentage, but I choose to somewhat some moderate salary because of the nature of the project, and based on our reviews with the company. So even I was getting at 80 percentage offer, but I choose for 70 percentage offer company because of the reviews, feedback, the friends work there. Based on that, I choose that company.
that's very nice, Jay Ganesh. Thank you so much for your time. It
Yeah,
was
thanks.
pleasure speaking with you.